What is up, guys? Tonight we're going to hit Auckland City for a night cruise. Following the night cruise we went on a few weeks ago, we had a lot of fun, brought back a lot of memories of the early 2000s and cruising with all your mates late into the night. So tonight, picking up some homies, we're going to go rolling in Auckland City in the JZX110. Come along for the ride. We're here on Auckland's Quay Street. Cars are starting to roll in. More cars than I expected. It started off pretty slow, but now there seems to be a variety of all sorts of cars rolling in. The homies T-Bird and Kath coming along for the ride tonight. Mark 2 parked up next to this pretty awesome looking crown. So as you can see here, there's cars on either side. It's starting to fill out. There's quite a variety. There's kind of literally everything here. And we literally have all sorts of cars. We've got cars with PA speakers in the front bumper. Voice cranking some mad beats. This one's got an absolutely ginormous sub in the back too. Trucks, all sorts. We have another 110. Very cool looking 110. Approaching is the Rip Your Evo 3. This thing is epic. Very cool black ZR4. You definitely do not see them looking this tidy anymore. Very cool. R32 coupe. This one looks like it's seen some drifting over its time. Very, very tidy in the R4. Some pretty awesome listens, a couple of badass S15s, R32 GDR, C35 Laurel, another black GDR, this is what we came here to see. Another cool S14, this time very cool blue colour. Big work VS wheels. Parked up here and we've got 6 GDRs everywhere. This one's got another black GDR weapon. Street legal wheels, big carbon rear diffuser, inlet brakes. I'd say this one really lives up to its name of a weapon. So we did a lap of Mission Bay and I saw a cop turn around and then pull me over, and turns out my taillights aren't working. Not entirely sure why, but headlights are working, brake lights are working, but number plate light and taillights not working. So yeah, so we got a ticket for that and we got to fix that. But yeah, I think we got off relatively lightly because the other officer was looking at exhaust and wheels and steering wheels and stuff, so probably good that we came away pretty unscathed. So we will now get the car home as safely as possible and then figure out what we've done wrong, and hopefully it's a relatively easy fix. But now, more importantly, it's time for some Denny's, a late night tradition. Go cruising in town and then you eat a meat lover's skillet with your friends. So this is where we would end up after a night of cruising town. Still here after many years, one of the few places that you can come and dine at any time of the night and enjoy the goodness of Denny's. Yeah, it's looking a little bit flashy in here, I suppose, but this is what we came for, boys. The meat lover's skillet. All sorts of meat covered in cheese and eggs and just goodness. You're looking over here and you're looking at sausages and bacon, but skillet. So you always got to see what's on special. There is absolutely nothing special about this. It may have been a few years since I've been here, but the meat lover skillet is back. As underwhelming as ever, but I bet it'll taste delicious. Oh yeah, don't forget the raspberry jam to go with your meat and your monkey bowl of satay sauce. Good times. Well, that turned out to be an eventful night. We had cars with PA speakers playing the loudest music I've ever heard in my life. We had some GDRs and we had some pretty cool cars out there cruising. Then we got pulled over and turns out we don't have tail lights. After they checked over my car, they gave me a ticket for no tail lights and sent me on my way. So yeah, so we had a look through all the fuses to see if we could figure out what was going on, which we couldn't, so we decided to just call it a night. Went to Denny's, had some food, and I dropped my mates off to their car and then started up, and I didn't have brake lights either, and the ABS light was on, so my ABS wasn't working. So a bit of a sketchy drive home, but we got the car home. We'll pull it apart tomorrow, diagnose it and see what's going on, so we get this car safe to use on the road again. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.